Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence Sibonga Ngomane. Bishop Ngambulele indoda yakhe uZanele Mbokazi, the late Zanele Mbokazi. Ushare ama details memorial service yaZanele. Uqale ngokuthi athi uyabonga kubo bonke abantu laba abasupportako as ifamily, babonga kakhulu for ama messages nako konke lenikusendako. Umkhuleko wenu uthi bayawubonga abamndeni wakaNkambule. Uthi memorial service eyaZanele Mbokazi Tobi Thursday mhla ka-15 August GNF eDurban Station usikaneskhathi iyoqala ngo-12 memorial service yakhe which is tomorrow of course mhla ka-15 August. Uthi bese inkonzo yakhe yokugcina funeral service toba Saturday mhla ka-17 August lapha eDurban ICC. Uthi isikhathi senkonzo iqala ngo-9 bese kiwekena emathuneni alaphana ePine Town guys, eMarian Hill ePine Town. Kanti lokuhamba yokufaka laphana ku-Instagram yakhe nje lati sakho nabantu angemsebenzi uchubekile ke washo ukuthi uyabonga kakhulu for the support le ayithola kuma social media. Uthi support yenu guys, they don't go unnoticed guys. Mzansi is still shocked ukuthi awuZanele Mbokazi like is normal, like they are still in belief, people are still in disbelief kahle like so labathembi. But guys, njengoba sathi uNkulunkulu uyapha athathe kanelicebo lakhe alingevinjwa guys. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.